Everyone, welcome back to my stream. So today's project review is about this HODLer airdrop soon. But before we start, let's check what is HODLer airdrop. So let's start first. First things first, always. Who want to participate in HODLer airdrop? So as long as your GT holdings in Gate account is no less than one, you can participate and receive airdrops without locking or staking GT. Which accounts GT holdings will be included in the calculation? Total GT holdings in unified account, spot account, isolated margin account, spotting copy trading account, bot account, financial account, and payment account. However, GT in crypto loan and GT2 are excluded. How is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will track your GT holdings, taking multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate your average hourly holdings. Your final reward base is based on your average holdings during the entire project period. Hmm. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not receive any rewards. Final token receive equals total average hourly holdings and all participants' average hourly holdings, X total airdrop amount. What is per GT? Per GT is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participating in the HODLer airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holdings of all participants and is updated hourly. Why are my holdings counted differently across projects? Well, the system uses random snapshots to calculate your average hourly holdings. Depending on your when you join each project, the calculated average holdings may vary. In theory, if your holding amount remains constant, your average hourly holdings should be the same across all projects you participate in. What is the individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the details page or the event page announcements for more information. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? You can participate in the multiple projects. How will the airdrop rewards be distributed? The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within T1 plus 1 day after the project ends. You can check it anytime in the Launchable Hodler airdrop participation history. So we finished the information. I mean, all information I could give you guys about Hitler airdrop. Okay, let's start now about the project soon. It's called soon. So as you can see, total airdrop amount is 166.667 soon. Average hourly holdings 1.40. This is my holding. Individual participation cap 5,000 GT. Airdrop reward is calculating currently. And increase, okay. Project introduction soon has three main products and soon stack in the first SVM rollup stack to bring Solana to all ecosystems. Currently, five soon chain lives. Intersoon is the messaging protocol allowing seamless communication between soon chains and major ecosystems. Simpler.fun is the ultimate copy trading platform, allowing users to copy trade the best traders in the world. And founder is Joanna Zhang, co-founder and CEO, has been in crypto since 2017 and led partnerships at Coinbase, Optimism, and Aleo. Co-founder, I don't know what that means, CTO Andrew Zhou, ex-founder in Polkadot, is well respected for developing L1s and L2s with Rust Golang experience. Highlight and vision soon is bridging Solana everywhere with the most performance SVM rollup stack. Soon the stack and the ultimate copy trading portal simpler.com. Simpler Simp4.fun. I'm sorry. Token economics, governance, native asset of the Soon ecosystem, incentives for builders, and ecosystem growth staking. Technical overview: we pioneered decoupled SVM for Soon stack, removing the consensus layer from the execution SVM layer for better performance, and native fraud proof of AVM. For Simp for that fund, we are integrating it with top live stream platforms such as Twitch for seamless Web2 UX. Token allocation here is say token distribution ratio and unlocking rules. Soon Nest 5%, EGA 100%. Sooner 8%, 3 months linear vesting. Soon squads 8%, 6 months cliff, and 12 months linear vesting. Soon pill 8%, 12 months cliff, and 36 months linear vesting. Community incentives for the future products 10%, TGA 20%. Release the rest over the 36 months. Airdrop for Sooner and Soon Squad holder 12%, TGA 70%, release the rest over the 12 months. Ecosystem 25%, TGA 5%, release the rest for over 48 months. Airdrop and liquidity 8%, TGA 5%, release the rest over 12 months. Foundation Treasury 6%, 12 months cliff, 36 months linear release. Team and co-builders 10%, 12 months cliff, 36 months linear release. Risk reminder: the trading market for this currency might experience significant fluctuations due to technical, legal, regulatory, and other factors. Please truly understand the project details and conduct sufficient market research before participating. Gate cannot guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on the various factors, and the official listing announcement shall prevail. By participating in the project, you accept airdrop terms and conditions. Okay, so let's check here what it says. So Gate will initially list soon spot trading and launch hodler airdrop. Gate will list soon spot trading and launch hodler airdrop. Users holding at least one GT share 166,667 soon tokens for free. The hodler airdrop is exclusively for GT holders after the soon airdrop concludes. No funds will be deducted from participants. Airdrop details: hodler airdrop end time May 23rd, 2025, 7 a.m. UTC. Total supply is this much. I told you guys before. Unlocking 100% unlocked. Trading starts May 23rd at 11 a.m. UTC. Trading pairs soon slash USDT. Participation rules: complete identity verification and hold at least one GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holdings snapshot proportion. The maximum participation limit for each user for this event is 5,000 GT. How to claim airdrop: login and complete identity verification. Go to Launchpool, select hodler airdrop, hold at least one GT, click join now. We already checked hodler airdrop frequently asked questions. About soon. Soon has three main products. We already checked this. Token name is Soon, symbol is Soon. Max supply is 1 billion. Token type Sol slash BSC. Token ID is here for Solana and BSC scan. Token distribution ratio, we already checked these. Okay, that's it. Now we can finally check their website. So, extend Solana level performance on every blockchain. Soon mainnet settling on Ethereum, BNB chain, and Base chain now live. Okay, over 30K transaction per second, 50 ms, the most real-time blockchain so far. 0.01 transaction fees, 14.49 million total value locked, 28 million and 391,129 just turned on total transactions. Total active addresses, 1,435,543. And these are the comments posted on Twitter, I mean X, former X. Media coverage is soon first through SVM rollup, delivering high performance to every L1, starting with Ethereum, BNB, and Base. Super adoption stack accelerate SVM adoption launcher on Solana SAS, designed as a comprehensive suite of interoperable tools to create a fully interoperable blockchain ecosystem. It combines three core components: Soon mainnet, Soon stack, and InterSoon. Soon mainnet delivering Solana level performance to BNB chain, Ethereum, and Base. Okay, Soon stack is a high performance rollup stack powered by decoupled SVM. Every project can launch your own Solana via Soon's RAAS one-click deployment. InterSoon, a cross-chain messaging protocol connecting Soon chains to major layer 1 ecosystems. The InterSoon Tone Solana native bridge is now live. Core technical innovations: decoupled SVM, soon pioneered through decoupled SVM framework, which enables the seamless deployment of SVM rollups on non-Solana ecosystems. The benefits of building rollups with a coupled SVM include high TPS, native fraud-proof interrogation, reduced DA cost, and potential performance improvement through horizontal/distributed execution. Hello, Rum 8B, Hello Sniper BM. Mer Merkleization soon solves the SVM's Merkleization problem by implementing Merklepraxia try and unique entry within the SVM. And the key features include state root verification, inclusion proofs, and stateless execution while improving across layer operations and native bridge security. For more technical details, please refer to the paper co-authored by Andrew on Soon and Joe S. on Anza. Freelancer interrogation: Soon is the first SVM-based chain to successfully interrogate Firedancer, the high-performance Solana client developed by Jump Crypto, into DevNet. The result, a stable throughput of 80,000 TPS with testnet. Um, Soon mainnet, soon SVM BNB, and other Soon chains next in line. Soon unlocks the next level of real-time performance and SVM execution. Horizontal scaling soon redefines blockchain scalability through horizontal scaling, a method that expands capacity by adding more machines to share the workload rather than upgrading a single machine's power. This approach ensures theoretically infinite growth, as each new node handles a portion of transactions independently. By leveraging TPU distribution producer consumer architecture and SIMD83 optimization, soon makes horizontal scaling possible. We got blogs here supported by the industry leaders. We see ABCDA, Anagram, Hypersphere, NZ Capital, Amber Group, ARC, Steam Capital, Geek Cardle, Paca, MH Ventures, and IDGU Capital. These are the And more co-builders, Optimism, Coinbase, Agent Layer, Fandom, okay. Fate, DYDX, Solana Foundation, okay. Start building. Let's click on these things. Okay, this actually takes me to the white paper. Let's see others. Reach soon. Okay. Okay. Read documentation. Go to intern soon. They got an intern soon. Still loading. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, SVM Mercalization on soon, co-authored by Andrew Zoe, Joe C. The Solana virtual machine is becoming widely adopted. Okay, first let's see. Ooh, it's all along. Let's skip this. Or let's wait until the end. Oh my god, I hate it. Network, Explorer, Bridge, Faucet. They got a faucet. Okay, this also takes me to the Discover innovations powering the Zone ecosystem. Cobalt X, the native DEX on soon, driven by SLMM and AI. Aero YX, a privacy-first step in protocol, soon, securely linking millions of devices and tokenizing computing resources. PolyQuest, a decentralized prediction market on soon, allowing users to forecast events. Portal Finance, a lending protocol on soon, supporting comprehensive lending features and meme asset borrowing. Yeah, we got way too much here. Learn docs about soon. Okay, Soon is building the highest throughput stack that allows for any SVM layer 2 to be deployed on any L1, build on the highest performance VM ecosystem. Let's see. High performance parallel execution VM soon makes use of the Solana virtual machine, which has native support for parallel execution through the C-level runtime and its the accounts model which separates program code from the state and requires specification of accounts needed for a transaction. Enables for transactions to be executed in parallel by ensuring that there are no state conflicts. Specialized SVM for layer 2 with greater security. Specialized SVM for layer 2 with greater security building on top of the new SVM API by Anza. Soon is building a new type of SPM, the decoupled SPM. This is different from existing fork SVMs by way of having a decoupled transaction process unit, CPU, and proof of history simulation. The decoupled SVM brings greater network security through a more robust fraud proof system, allows for the removal of vote transactions which are not necessary for an L2, and reduces data availability wastage. Settle anywhere with the ZK fraud proof. The Soon stack allows for deployment of on top of any layer 1 through ZK fraud proofs. Proving is done via an interactive dispute game that is enhanced by ZK proofs. ZK proofs helps to drastically shorten the waiting period down from the usual 7 days to 1 day when using the native bridge. Uh, so we got cost-efficient DA options. The Soon stack allows for configurable data availability. Soon Chains has chosen between Agent DA, Avail, or Celestia. I'm sorry. This can be done through the configuration, removing the need to maintain a separate fork for each DA option. This is made possible through OP Stack's Alt DA mode. And this is the founder, Crypto NYC, head of the BD, Aleo. Yeah, we already know about her. Job board, business development manager. Okay, there's also job opportunities here. But before we go there, we should check from, I mean, their white paper. But let's rest a bit. Okay, let's continue. Hello, gate user. Hello, other gate user. Okay, let's continue. I need to text someone. Okay. Soon is a high-performance SVM rollup designed to realize the super adoption um, stack with a vision to achieve mass adoption of blockchain. So Soon comprises three primary products: Soon Mainnet, Soon Stack, and InterSoon. The core technological innovations of Soon include decoupled SVM, localization, and horizontal scaling. So Soon Mainnet is a general purpose layer 2 that settles on Ethereum with its core execution layer powered by decoupled SVM. Soonstack is the collection of infrastructure that allows for the deployment of running of an SVM layer 2 on top of any base layer 1. Chains deployed using Soonstack are referred to as Soon chains. And Soonstack now supports Ethereum as the settlement layer, as well as the D8 layer, supported by Caldera and Alt layer. InterSoon is a cross-chain messaging protocol that ensures smooth interaction between networks. So it enables interoperability between Soon mainnet, the Soon stack, and other layer ones, connecting them all in one seamless interface. InterSoon's underlying cross-chain messaging is supported by Hyperlane. Let's check the tokenomics for Soon. Soon Economics initial supply is 1 billion soon, 3% inflation every year. So governance soon holders can vote on protocol upgrades, treasury management, and ecosystem development for Soon mainnet and Soon stack chain. Um, so native asset Soon powers all activities in the Soon ecosystem used by builders and users across the apps. Incentives Soon rewards builders and ecosystem contributors, driving innovation and growth through grants and performance-based incentives. Soon distribution, communities 51%. This allocation will be distributed through a fair launch with the remaining serving as reward to long-term supporters of the Soon ecosystem. More information coming next week. The ecosystem fund is set aside to support the development of growth of the broader Soon ecosystem. It includes funding for partnerships, development grants, third-party integrations, and other strategic investments that enhance the ecosystem. Airdrop and liquidity. This allocation is for airdrops by providing liquidity to exchanges. Airdrops are used to attract new users, incentive adoption, and reward early supporters. Liquidity ensures smooth trading of Soon tokens in the market. Foundation Treasury, this allocation is served for the long-term sustainability of the Soon project. They act as a financial buffer to ensure the foundation can operate, fund research and development, and respond to future needs or crises. This category supports operational expenses, strategic initiatives, and governance-driven decisions for reallocation, ensuring the project's health over time. Time and co-builders, this allocation rewards the core team and early contributors, co-builders, who have been instrumental in creating and launching the project. It ensures that the key holders, stakeholders are incentivized to stay aligned with the project's goal. Soon Utility soon serves as a core utility token with the Soon ecosystem empowering a range of functionalities that promote ecosystem growth and ensure network operations. Its primarily utilizes include governance. Soon holders have the right to vote on critical decisions within the Soon mainnet and Soon chains created using the Soon stack. Governance allows holders to propose or approve protocol upgrades to the Soon mainnet, vote or resource allocation for ecosystem development and community grants, decide on treasury management and reward distribution mechanism for builders and contributors, participate in key decisions. Native asset of the Soon ecosystem. Soon is the native token for all components of the Soon ecosystem, acting as the backbone of network activities across Soon mainnet and various Soon chains. Incentives for builders and ecosystem growth. Soon will serve as an incentive token for developers, builders, and ecosystem projects, encouraging innovation and ecosystem participation. Builders can earn Soon for creating infrastructure, decentralized apps, or tools that enhance the functionality of Soon chains. Project contributing to the ecosystem success may be rewarded with Soon tokens through grant program partnerships or performance-based incentives. Staking the Soon network is set to implement an innovative fast finality settlement mechanism, providing an alternative to both validity and optimistic rollups. Fast finality will be enabled by a set of validators who stake Soon to provide security. Active validators will receive staking rewards, including an annual 3% token incentive. And let's check the white paper. So the following white paper is not the final version. This is not the final version of the white paper. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's still a lot. Let's continue from here. Our vision SAS. To solve the problem of liquidity fragmentation and lack of interoperability between chains, and more importantly, to achieve mass adoption, Soon proposes the super adoption stack, a vision for a fully interoperable blockchain future connecting all networks through seamless communication. SAS represent a paradigm shift toward the unified blockchain network. Our thoughts on mass adoption. Our long-lasting goal has been to drive the mass adoption of crypto and blockchain. We believe that achieving this requires two essential components. First, introduce high-performance execution environments, specifically the Solana virtual machine, to all major L1 ecosystems. So this serves as the foundational performance layer for achieving mass adoption. Second, establish interoperability between SVM chains and all major L1s to enable seamless interaction. This forms the foundational communication layer for achieving mass adoption. If there are more SVM L2s on blockchain than AVM L2s, that would be awesome. When OpCat say totally. To explore the first condition further, we can draw upon Tolly's insights shared on X. Introducing SVM-based L2 solutions into ecosystems like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tone is crucial, as we believe SVM represents the ultimate evolution for all virtual machines. Solana virtual machines' performance advantages significantly reduce interaction costs, addressing the long-standing performance bottlenecks in blockchain. With leading L1 ecosystem already achieving a high degree of decentralization and sufficient security guarantees, the interaction of SVM creates a solid foundation for achieving mass adoption. Soon mainnet and the Soon stack are critical to solving this challenge, enabling developers to deploy SVM across any L1s. The second condition involves introduction of cross-chain communication protocol, ensuring that developers can interact seamlessly across different stacks without being confined to isolated ecosystems. This goal is realized through InterSoon. SAS equals Soon mainnet plus Soon stack plus Soon InterSoon plus equals path to mass adoption. Soon mainnet bring the high performance execution environment to Ethereum. So mainnet is a general purpose layer 2 that settles on Ethereum with its core execution layer powered by decoupled SVM. So yeah, why build yet another layer 2 on Ethereum? In a fragmented Web3 landscape, building a new layer 2 and rollup stack may seem, I don't know what to say, this world. I don't want to pronounce it incorrectly. Counterintuitive. Counterintuitive. However, our vision aims to eliminate barriers by establishing a unified foundation for developers from various ecosystems to collaborate and innovate seamlessly. A key aspect of our approach is decoupling Ethereum from AVM. And while Ethereum embodies a unique spirit and culture, its virtual machine serves merely as a tool for large-scale applications. To overcome development hindrances caused by the AVM, we advocate for the adoption of Solana Virtual Machine. We believe that the SVM offers the most effective path toward widespread blockchain adoption based on its active user base, ecosystem qualify, and significant transaction throughput. Achieving true adoption requires more than just Solana-based builders. It requires participation for Ethereum developers and builders across other major ecosystems. So this is precisely where the Soon mainnet come into play, enabling developers to leverage the benefits of SVM. So let's go to Soonstack. The first is real SVM rollup stack. Soonstack is the collection of infrastructure that allows for the development, deployment, and running of an SVM layer 2 on top of any base layer 1. Chains deployed using the Soonstack are referred to as Soon chains. Soonstack now supports Ethereum as the settlement layer. Alt DA solutions like Agent DA supported by Caldera and Alt layer. In the future, we will expand to more L1 and DA. We will also continue to include more excellent REAA as providers. By soon stack, projects can launch SVM-based chain with unprecedented simplicity. SVM's high performance and flexibility make it an ideal execution layer for a wide range of use cases. Customizable consumer applications, applications that require fine-tuned control over transaction costs, such as custom gas fees, fee structures tailored to user needs, can leverage SVM to achieve a seamless user experience. High performance applications use cases such as gaming, where real time responsiveness and scalability are critical, can benefit greatly from SVM's parallel processing capabilities. And financial and trading platforms, transaction heavy applications like DeFi protocols and trading systems can utilize SVM's efficiency to handle high throughput and low latency operations, ensuring optimal performance under heavy loads. As the first truly functional SVM rollup stack, the potential use cases extend far beyond those listed above. We look forward to seeing more builders explore the vast possibilities of SVM, and we are committed to providing strong support for these innovations. Available RAAS supporting SoonStack, Caldera's RAAS services now support SVM via integration with Soon. So SoonStack, it's Caldera's first integration with an alt VM ecosystem. Beyond AVM, Caldera is the fastest growing rollup ecosystem on Ethereum, empowering Web3 teams to launch high performance, customizable, application specific rollups with its one click rollup deployment platform. With over 75 modular rollups in its network, Caldera powers an ecosystem unified rollups that share collective network effects and enjoy greater efficiency, scalability, and security. AltLayer supports SVM via integration with SoonStack. AltLayer is backed by leading investors including Polychain Capital and Hack VC. With AltLayer, projects can deploy their SVM-based rollup chains with ease. In addition to AltLayer's AVS services, these rollup chains can benefit from a decentralized and highly secure sequencer infrastructure. And we got intern soon. Just give me a second. And let's continue. So, Intersoon connecting all networks. Intersoon is a cross-chain messaging protocol that ensures smooth interaction between networks. It enables interoperability between Zoom mainnet, the Zoom stack, and other L layer ones, connecting them all in one seamless interface. Intersoon's underlying cross-chain messaging is supported by Hyperlane. Current interoperability solutions such as interoperability systems, token bridges, and wrapped assets have significant limitations that hinder the realization of seamless asset sharing across blockchain. To overcome these challenges and build a truly interoperable blockchain ecosystem, we choose to make Intersoon a cross-chain messaging protocol. This approach eliminates the need for duplicated assets or centralized custodians, enabling native standardized interaction between blockchains by allowing smart contracts and assets to interact seamlessly across networks. Message level communication ensures smooth and transparent transactions, unlocking the potential for more cross chain interactions beyond simple token transfers. Okay, features. Unified Communication Standard Intersoon enables different blockchain to communicate using a standardized messaging layer, eliminating the need for developers to build custom bridges or wrapping mechanism for each new chain. Preserve liquidity by keeping assets in their native form across chain. Intersoon avoids the liquidity fragmentation caused by traditional token bridges. Assets can move freely between chains while maintaining the original liquidity, providing a more efficient and transparent cross-chain experience. The decoupled SVM brings an percentage performance improvements to across cross-chain interactions. By enabling chains to communicate without the technical overhead of bridges or token wrapping, this reduces transaction fees and increases the scalability of cross-chain DeFi applications. We got decoupled SVM. Decoupled SVM is a fundamental innovation within the Soon architecture that separates the SVM as a core execution layer from the underlying consensus layer. This separation allows the execution layer to operate independently, enabling enhanced performance, scalability, and efficiency. Enhanced performance and scalability by decoupling the SVM can process transactions more efficiently and scale independently of the consensus layer or settlement layer, supporting higher throughput and accommodating growing application demands. Sakura hoş geldiniz. Merhaba size de iyi akşamlar. Nasılsınız? İyisinizdir umarım. And we got improved security. The coupled SVM supports fault for proof mechanisms, enabling validators to verify transaction integrity independently. So this ensures the reliability and consistency of the blockchain and migrating risks associated with Tyler coupled architectures. Ben de iyiyim. Çok teşekkür ederim sorduğunuz için. Proje yayını yapıyorum. And we got greater flexibility. Developers can optimize and customize the execution environment, facilitating innovation and supporting a diverse range of decentralized applications. So the architecture allows integration with various L1 networks and data availability layers. And we got efficient resource utilization, removing consensus-related components from the execution layer frees computational resources, resulting in a more responsive and robust system. For more technical details, please dive into our previous articles. We already checked their previous articles. I don't know what are these. Çok teşekkür ederim Sakura. Sizi burada görmek gerçekten çok güzel. So we got Merkalization. Merkalization organizes blockchain data into Merkle trees, enabling efficient and secure verification of transactions and state truths. Skun, I don't know how to pronounce it. Wait. Proofs. Succinct proofs. Solana's merkleization process poses several challenges. Firstly, it merkleizes transactions into multiple routes per block, complicating the creation of global state proofs. Additionally, state roots are calculated once per epoch, approximately 2.5 days. Çok teşekkür ederim Sakurai. Çok naziksiniz. And are not included in block headers. This absence of state roots in block headers makes verifying state and inclusion proofs difficult. Soon's Merkleization solution integration of Merkle Practicia tries adopts the MPT model tailored for Solana's account structure to manage and verify state efficiency. Unique entries for state roots introduces unique entry traits to embed state roots directly into SVM-used blockchains. Periodic state root updates computes and submits state roots and withdrawal roots every 450 slots to layer 1, ensuring consistent and verifiable state. Fault-proof mechanism supports inclusion proofs, allowing validators to independently verify transaction integrity and state consistency. Benefits of merkleization in Soon: enhanced security, enables robust um, inclusion and fraud proofs, ensuring transaction are state integrity, improve scalability, efficient state management, supports high transaction throughput and seamless layer 1 integration, and interoperability aligns with Ethereum's MPT model, facilitating cross-chain operations and compatibility with existing blockchain infrastructures. Support for light clients, consistent state routes enable for development of light clients, enhancing accessibility and security. Trustless interactions ensure secure writing between layer 2 and layer 1 through Merkle trees, enabling trustless verification of withdrawal transactions. Okay, I think we only got horizontal scaling. Okay, we can go through from here. Horizontal scaling involves expanding ecosystems capacity by adding more machines or nodes to the network rather than enhancing the power of individual machines. This approach distributes the workload across multiple nodes, allowing the system to handle increased demand efficiently. Unlike vertical scaling, which is limited by the physical and economic constraints of single machines, horizontal scaling offers virtually unlimited growth potential by leveraging the collective resource of the network. Benefits of horizontal scaling: unlimited growth potential by adding more nodes. The system can scale indefinitely, accommodating growing user bases and transaction volumes without being restricted by the limitations of individual machines. Improve reliability and redundancy. Distributing the workload across multiple nodes reduces the risk of single points of failure, enhancing the overall resilience and uptime of the network. Enhanced performance, low distribution ensures that no single node becomes a bottleneck. So maintaining consistent transaction processing speeds even as the network expands. Cost-effective expansion, utilizing standard commodity hardware allows for scalable growth without the need for costly upgrades to existing infrastructure. Flexibility and adaptability, horizontal scaling supports dynamic adjustments to the network, enabling seamless integration of the new nodes and resources as demand fluctuates. Okay, I think that's it. We checked all white paper, went through all white paper. Thanks for participating, y'all. Thanks for joining my live stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to drink water. Don't forget to use stop loss. Enjoy your day. and stay safe. Sakura, çok teşekkür ederim yayınıma katıldığın için tekrardan. Hepinize teşekkürler arkadaşlar. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow.